Hey everyone, welcome back. And today I have a Poshmark haul. In my last video I had mentioned that I had purchased the cards that I had opened and shown. Well, I didn't open them on video, but I had shown my small collection so far of the cards that I got from this particular seller, and I thought they were really cute, so I wanted to order some more. She was live, so I bought more than just the cards, obviously. I've already taken all the items out of the postal service box that she ships in, and I put everything in this box, which I also purchased from her. She has really cute storage options for you to purchase from her, but she's been live quite often these past few days because I know she's trying to reduce her inventory to make room for newer inventory. She's starting to sell other things than Sanrio, which is the bulk of her inventory now. So there's been a lot of good pricing, so I couldn't pass up some of this stuff. And I'm just showing you what I got. I liked things like this, obviously Sanrio, and I just want to make some friends that also have the same obsession with not just shopping but like cutesy stuff. So if you like what you see and you have a seller, it doesn't have to be on Poshmark, it could be anywhere that you find really cool stuff from, things like that. I like all of the things that I see from like Marshalls and all those other stores, but I don't go to those stores very often, and when I do, I never find anything, and the resellers are kind of crazy. So yeah, so any other options would be great. But yeah, just if you have your own videos of you posting things that you've purchased or find, or maybe you repurpose something, you redecorated arts and craft stuff, I'd love to see it. But let's take a look at what I got. Again, this is something that I did get from her show. It's just a storage box, and I got it because it was really cute. I like the ice cream truck motif that it has, so it's the little twin stars, Kiki and Lala, and so here you have the little elephant driving, which is really cute. You have the treats, little teddy bear, and there's images in both sides, or sorry, all sides. Here's a little welcome note, the Kiki and Lala sign. How cute is that little table? This is such like inspo, like for a room or like a kitchen or stuff like that. This is just a sticker. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to take it off here. I'm not gonna waste my time, but she does have like number stickers on her items because that's how she sorts everything. So her show's pretty cool because you don't have to like bid on everything at once. If you like something, she'll set it aside and she'll bill you at the end of the night. But technically you would just type in the number if you want that certain item, and then she kind of sets it aside for you. This is just a little top here, and it's a Velcro closure, which is nice, and I have everything else that I got in here, so I'll show you. I also got this really cute little bag. I thought it'd be cute to take maybe my lunch in. Sometimes I don't want to use like those insulated bags, but it's just folded up here. Let me see if I can. Kind of hard with the camera in the way, but let's see if I can show you. It's just like a regular square or rectangular bag. Really cute. It's that plastic. It's not canvas. It's plastic, kind of like the same material that you get most of your reusable bags from the grocery stores and things like that. But I just thought it was really cute little design. She had more, but I don't have a lot of Kuromi stuff, so I wanted to get something from Kuromi. Other things that I got, like I mentioned, I got more of the cards, so I'm excited to open these. Hopefully I don't get too many repeats. But yeah, so I actually bought all the ones that she had left. I think she was gonna order more boxes of these, but she also does like a trading card live show where she'll open them and you can purchase like just a card that you want, like if you're collecting them and you only want a certain card. I just started, so I don't mind opening them. I think maybe if I really do want to finish the collection, I'd certainly kind of look to see what cards she still has. what else? So I also got these really cute, what do you call them? Card skins. So these go on your credit card. I had to get this one out already because I really like this one. So I took this one out of the plastic. But as you can see, it has the little cutout here for the chip of the card. And they're really nice here. This one comes in with double Hello Kitty. Yeah, I didn't realize I got all Hello Kitty. I mean, she's my favorite, so I'm always gonna get her stuff, but I'm trying to get other characters as well. But I tend to lean more on the Hello Kitty side. But how cute is this? And the little candy. That's really cute. Yeah, and it's like a nice material. It kind of feels like a really thin silicone. It doesn't feel like a regular like plastic paper. So it's nice. Really good quality. Appreciate that. And I also got tons of pins. I collect pins, so if I see one that I like, I'll get. So let me show you the ones that I've got this time around. So she had this this variation. I'm not sure how many are in the actual like collection, but I got Pom Pom Purin and kind of like the same motif, Pachaco, and I think the other one was Karopi. Let me find it. Yeah, no, not that one. Okay, Karopi. So it's just basically like the same style with their little friends on their heads. Really cute. And I also got this one with bats. I like his little outfit. Kind of reminds me of like 90s like hamburger shop. You know, can I take your order? Here's Pachaco again. Super cute. Here's one that has like a little dangly. Another Pachaco with his boombox. So cute. So another Pom Pom Purin. I actually got this one. If you could watch my last video, I opened up a card that had like that little flower on his head, and I said it looked like a cracker, but this one looks like an actual flower. Got another Pachaco on a skateboard. Hello Kitty on her bike. Gudetama in bed, of course. My kind of activity. Here's the Cool Gang. And a Hello Kitty one. So those are all the pins that I got. I like that she put them all on a box for me. It's really nice of her. They usually come in like little bags, but I like this better, so I kind of don't have to take them out of the bags. And they're very they're really well made, so I wouldn't be concerned like of them scratching or anything. Last thing here is an umbrella. I won't open it here. I'll show another picture, but also feels really good quality. It's Pachaco, it's pink, it's cute, it'll do its job. I should have gotten two. One for the house, well, one for the car, one for the office. So should I have gotten three? One for the house? I don't know. You guys tell me. Do you guys have umbrellas everywhere just in case? It doesn't rain very much where I live, but it's always good. It's always unexpected, I feel, because I don't really watch the news or look at like the forecast. But yep, that was it. And I will see you on my next video when I open up some of these card packs. Thanks for watching. Bye.